17-year-old Ethan and his brave German shepherd, Max, venture into a treacherous blizzard to rescue a missing hiker. Guided by Max's instincts, they hear a distressed howl and find the hiker trapped beneath a frozen river. With Ethan's quick thinking and Max's courage, they pull the hiker to safety and take refuge in a cave. Through the night, they fend off wolves and battle exhaustion. As the storm clears, they navigate dangerous terrain, including a creaking bridge and a near-deadly avalanche. Finally, they reach the village, where the hiker is saved and the duo is hailed as heroes. Their bond, forged in the wilderness, becomes an unforgettable testament to loyalty and courage.